Hey Joseph, how's it going, man?
Not bad, yourself?
Very good. So this is a YouTuber Joseph. Check out his
LucckyVlogs.
Yep.
What's up, man?
LucckyVlogs. Don't forget to subscribe and check out his channel.
Hey.
All right, so
Thanks for the shout out, Jackie.
So we have this wide body WRX STI right here.
Yes, sir.
Beside it.
Let's go check it out.
Yep, pretty unique, right?
Yeah, not bad at all. It's very unique to Canada, that is, as well. It's one of its kind in Canada. It's one of its kind in Canada. Actually, it's the only one that's in Canada.
Is there a name for the body kit, or?
The body kit is Dagger from Crown Carbon Crafting. I thought about doing it after seeing a lot of pictures online, and like I said, you don't see them around a lot, and there's not many of them in Canada either. Actually, there's none in Canada. Very rare to find, especially for an STI.
It cost you an arm and a leg?
It costed a pretty penny, but I'm really happy with the outcome. My friends over at Auto Clinic Detailing did an amazing job. Also, my friends at DS Performance did an amazing job on it, fitting it together. It was a lot of work, a lot of hours went into it.
So how wide is it? Does it give
in total, it makes the car about 6 inches longer.
6 inches?
6 inches longer. The mags are 18 by 11 and a half. Tire size is 295.
Have you done any performance parts on it?
We've done a few performance mods. We've done the headers, intake, downpipe, uppipe, external wastegate. Did a little tuning to the car as well. Makes about 350 wheel horsepower. This year I'm supposed to be working on the engine, trying to get it to that 400 wheel horsepower. We'll see how that works out. Obviously we're gonna have to change the engine in that bad boy and the turbo, but it's gonna be exciting. I can't wait to have it done. This week we got a lot of more goodies coming this way. Gonna get the car wrapped, and yeah, it never ends. It's an ongoing project, and
Wow, that's crazy, man.
I'm happy to be doing it.
Are you going to like stage 3 or something like that?
We're gonna be going to stage 3 very soon. Yeah, it's gonna be amazing. I can't.
Not only you have the look, how mean it is, and you're gonna have the speed too.
Yeah, a lot of people like to call it Darth Vader, because when they see it coming down the highway, it's just darkness coming. And I like it. I like the name too. Kind of sticks.
It's a really sick car, man.
Thank you. It's awesome.
It's obvious you put a lot of time, love, and ambition into it.
Yeah. There was a lot of time going into this. A lot of time and stress as well.
Oh, those are really fun.
Yeah, 295s.
295.
Yeah,
All-wheel drive.
hard to fit in there. Yeah, doesn't rub at all anymore. It's pretty crazy. The Pirelli tires and the wheels are Cosmos wheels. Cosmos wheels are 11.5-inch wide and 18-inch 18-inch mags. Very wide indeed. Cosmos wheels, inexpensive, but they do the job perfectly, and very strong wheels.
How excited were you when you got it off the body shop after the?
When I got it out of the body shop, well, it was winter time, so I was really anxious to drive it on the roads, but we couldn't do it, so we had to wait till the spring to get it out. And we've been to a couple shows so far: the Montreal Auto Show, Toronto Auto Show, and Toronto Import Expo, where Montreal brought home a few awards.
If I followed you correctly, you won a lot of awards, no?
Yes, we did. Yes. Yeah, we won for the Toronto Auto Show, and we won for Import Expo for Best Subaru, actually.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, which is pretty amazing. I'm really happy at the outcome of this car.
And that's only the start. Imagine,
That's only the start.
Run,
Yeah.
Wow. Is there a name for this spoiler?
No, it's the
It's like a rally start?
It's the OEM spoiler. It comes with the Sport Tech package, the high-end STIs.
I think you added these.
We added the Perrin stabilizers on it and the Password JDM gurney flap.
Okay. So it's like a lip or something?
Yeah, it's just a small lip. It's carbon fiber, which is probably the only thing that's carbon fiber on this car.
It's okay, man. The rest of it's like crazy work and everything.
That's it, which is amazing.
What about these taillights? Can you talk anything about them?
The taillights are the Grimmspeed sequential taillights. They're
Okay.
custom made.
Really?
And they're fully LED.
So when you put blinkers, there's
Yeah,
a sequence?
when you open it, close it, there's a sequence.
Holy cow!
Yeah,
Gotta take a nice shot of it.
go for it, go for it.
So nice. And what about the diffuser?
The diffuser is a Volex diffuser. I don't really know too much about it. I know it's aggressive as and I got these rear spats. They usually only make plastic rear spats.
Okay.
There's this guy in Toronto, Downwind Customs. He custom made these rear spats. It's aside from the diffuser, but it matches so well.
It does.
I love it.
That's
Yeah.
why I was asking you, is it like
Yeah,
made
if
for
it one piece, no, it's two. It's 1, 2, 3 pieces, but it's amazing.
Holy cow.
Yeah, love it.
In aluminium or?
Yeah, it's aluminum.
Seriously, really very good job. Thank you very much.
It was a pleasure speaking with you, Jackie. Thanks a lot for the interview, and thanks a lot for your time. It's gonna be a good night, that's for sure.
Yep. And I'm pretty sure we're gonna see each other once again.
Oh, definitely in the near future. In the summer, we'll take some shots together and do some videos together. I'm looking forward to it. This car is gonna be something else this year.
Yep. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to LucckyVlogs, right?
LucckyVlogs, and don't forget to subscribe to Jackie, man. This guy's killing the game out here in Montreal.
Link down below, right?
Yes,
We're gonna
down
have both
below.
about our links and everything. So it was nice, and hopefully we'll film a review video. Okay, reaction video
A reaction video to my car?
Yep.
Yeah, for sure.
about this super nice, unique white body WRX STI. All right, thanks, Joseph.
All right, thanks a lot. Take care.
Thank you.